Want to be that person everyone talks about? The one who always has the perfect comeback, the clever solution? Imagine people saying, "Wow, you're a genius. How do you even think like that? Can you teach me your ways?" Sounds like a dream, right? But let's face it. Most of us are just trying to remember if we locked the front door, let alone figuring out how to outsmart everyone else. But guess what? Becoming smarter than the average bear isn't as impossible as it sounds. In fact, Islam gives us some incredible practical tools to boost our intelligence. Remember when you were like 13 years old and you thought, "I'm going to launch a website called How to Be Smarter Than Everyone Else." You were ready to become the next big genius of the internet. You imagined it filled with mind-blowing insights, psychology hacks, and pearls of wisdom that would make even Einstein jealous.
Oh my God, it's Albert Einstein! It's Albert Einstein! Oh my God, it's Albert Einstein! Oh my God!
But then reality hit. Who knew creating a website was harder than spelling knowledge without autocorrect? And instead of revolutionizing the world, you ended up Googling how to find my shoes before heading to the mosque. But hey, that's okay. We're not here to build websites. We're here to learn real, actionable tips for becoming smarter. So stick around. Let's dive into how Islam can help you unlock your full potential. You need to explore instead of getting lost in ignorance. Look, the Muslim world has to work together if it wants to inspire others. How is it even possible that we, the people who were literally told to read as the first command, have somehow ended up on the road to ignorance highway? Do you know what happens if economists and accountants are without any clue, and religious scholars who lack wisdom? Humanity itself might start making glitch. Keep in mind when education crumbles. I mean, come on. You have got this incredible legacy of knowledge, and somehow you are just chilling in the ignorance section of the global competition. Meanwhile, other nations who do not even have faith in your religion are running laps around us. They are dominating science, tech, medicine, basically everything. And you are just standing there like, "Oh, is that what you were supposed to do?" If you are not careful, people might start thinking that you are on the wrong side of things. As Allah Almighty has mentioned in the Holy Quran, "Indeed, my Lord is subtle in fulfilling what He wills. Surely, He alone is the all-knowing, all-wise." The secret to success is humans' power. People are the secret sauce to any organization's success. And if you want to be smart about it, you need a good team. You always need skilled folks pushing the organization to grow, and since your faith covers everything from A to Z, your education should too. Tips to become smart in Islamic way. Try knowing more about yourself. Have you got plenty to learn, don't you all? Be aware of your own brain power. I know some super smart folks who do not even realize it because they are too busy beating themselves up or comparing themselves to others. And hey, you can be a genius in one area, but not so great with textbooks or the other way around. So, take a good look at yourself and know where you stand. There are some chances that you are already smarter than a bunch of people. Once you know just how sharp you are, you will know what needs a little sharpening. Remember, Islam teaches you to seek knowledge and understand your own potential. So, knowing yourself is part of knowing your Creator and His blessings upon you. Try listening to others. If you are the type who does not listen to others, well, you are probably missing out on just about everything. But here's the good news. If you start listening, you will discover a lot about people. And since you are living in a world full of humans, it is pretty important to know what makes you all right. Even in Islam, being a good listener is highly valued. The Quran says, "So give good news to my servants who listen to the word and follow the best of it." In other words, being open to hearing from others leads to wisdom and goodness. Try making smarter friends than you. If you are the intelligent one in your friend group, it is time to hit the panic button. Seriously, you need some friends who can at least match your IQ, preferably while sharing pizza and bad jokes. Surround yourself with good folks who are also smart cookies. It is great to find someone who thinks like you, but it is even better when you meet someone who has a totally different take on things. Different friends can help you discover new sides of yourself or teach you things you never knew. If you are flying solo to become smart, do yourself a favor and find some intellectual companions. Try thinking rationally. You need to be a little more open-minded and sane here. Remember, the Quran reminds you, "And do not mix the truth with falsehood while you know it." So, do yourself a favor by soaking up all the different opinions you can find. Whenever you are forming your own ideas or chatting with others, keep it objective and rational. Always check your sources, like you are checking the expiration date on milk. Don't just trust anything that smells funny. And remember, just because your buddy said something does not mean it is the truth. A lot of folks can be smart as a whip, but still lack common sense. Nobody wants to hang out with a know-it-all who cannot think straight. In a nutshell, becoming smarter in an Islamic way is not as complicated as it might seem. It starts with recognizing your own potential and learning to appreciate the knowledge that surrounds you. By listening to others, seeking out smarter friends, and keeping an open mind, you can enrich your understanding and make a positive impact on the world. Remember, it is all about collaboration and growth, just like the Prophet, peace be upon him, encouraged in his teachings. So, whether you are trying to figure out your next big project or just want to be a little wiser, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and press the notification bell icon. Also, let us know about more ways to become smart according to Islam in the comments section. Thanks for watching.